One of the main reasons I'm here at Children's Hospital is to be with somebody like Len. We work very, very closely together. We're close scientific colleagues. Our work is very complementary, and that's part of what makes it really, really exciting. My lab focuses on the mouse and human embryonic and pluripotent stem cells, and
I
Len,
work.
what do you do?
Yeah, my laboratory has worked on zebrafish as a model. We think zebrafish are very interesting because you can have a large number of fish. We have about 150,000 fish downstairs in children's, and they can produce a large number of embryos. So each mother has 300 babies a week, and so they become embryo factories, and that allows us to look at how tissues develop. And in particular, my interest is in the blood system, and we are discovering genes that are involved in blood development. We're also finding chemicals that can change stem cells in very interesting ways, and they might be therapeutically interesting. And we then talk to you, George, about the activities in the mouse and human cells and see if any of the principles that we found in the fish would also help your mouse work.
And they almost always do. I mean, the fundamental pathways of biology are shared between the fish, which is a vertebrate, and mice and humans. So we've actually found it's incredibly valuable to go from one system to another. It's amplified the quality of the work that we can do. And indeed, one of the chemicals that Len's lab identified in the fish has now made its way all the way into human clinical trials. So there's an enormous value of having these model systems and putting them together for the most rapid advance towards new treatments.
Yeah. I also like our group meetings, which I think are very fun. So we end up having our labs get together actually and to discuss stem cell biology. And out of that comes a really interesting set of experiments that we need to do. But it also has set the tone for the entire stem cell program here. We really are very collaborative, not only with the group here at Children's Hospital, but throughout the world. And so that's really been a lot of fun.
Well, it's essential because no one person is smart enough to solve these challenging scientific questions. So being together as a group makes it much more effective, but it also just makes it so much more fun because it's the intellectual energy that we feel as part of this community that makes it so satisfying to be scientists.
Absolutely.